Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 6th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the yen pairs, we had big gaps in the market over the weekend, very, very large gaps. A lot of gaps do fill fairly quickly, but like I was saying last week, and last week I was saying that I think it's going to go down for a bigger wave C, but the problem with that analysis is that the daily and the weekly time frames have been in an uptrend this whole time. When the very high time frames are in an uptrend and you go down to the 4-hour time frame and below and come up with a counter trend analysis, this is often what happens. You get another move to the upside based on the higher time frame trends. Those higher time frame trends need to be your friend. And when you start coming up with those counter trend analysis, a lot oftentimes that's how you get burnt in the market. Now we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement. That's a high time frame Fibonacci level. So if it does, make a double top, break structure to the downside, then you could try to become bearish again. You just have to realize that anything you see to the downside until those very high time frames tell us otherwise could just be another pullback within an uptrend. And it really doesn't even have to do that. It could make another higher low and it could just keep on trending up. Just remember, very high time frames are definitely still in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.